Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a handy tool for converting image formats using AnyTrans image converter. If you've ever needed to switch from HEIC or JXL to JPG, PNG, JPEG formats, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Please launch AnyTrans on your computer. Navigate to the Utilities section and locate the image converter function. Drag and drop your HEIC or JXL files into the AnyTrans interface or click to select multiple files for batch conversion. Choose whether to keep EXIF data. Select the desired output format for your images such as JPG, JPEG, or PNG. Adjust the image quality. Hit the Convert button to start the conversion process. Don't forget to choose the export folder for the converted files. Click on View Files to locate your newly converted images on your computer. And there you have it. Converting image formats with AnyTrans image converter is quick and simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.